Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have weak cellular signal but a strong Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi calling lets you make a receive calls and text using Wi-Fi instead of mobile tower. Okay, so in iPhone settings 2026, Wi-Fi calling is stable, high quality, and works seamlessly in the background. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, open settings. Okay, so go to settings. This is where all calling and network options are managed. Okay, so tap cellular or mobile data depending on the region. Okay, so tap this. This section controls your career features. Now inside cellular, tap Wi-Fi calling. Okay, so let's see. So you will see the main toggle. Okay, so turn on Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone, toggle Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone to on. A configuration pop-up will appear. Tap enable to confirm. Okay, add or confirm emergency address. This is important. Okay, so when prompted, enter or confirm your emergency address. This is required so emergency services can locate you when calling over Wi-Fi. Okay, so this does not share your live location. It's only used for emergency calls. Okay, so Wi-Fi calling is now active. Once enabled, calls use Wi-Fi when cellular signal is weak. Text and calls work normally. Call quality often improves indoors. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.